Welcome back to the OneDrive online course, and now we're going to be looking to the sharing options that we can find inside the files on our OneDrive folder. What OneDrive will allow you to do is also to quickly share files with other people. So if we click in our example file here, you're going to see this share, and that's going to ask for the email of the person you share or group. So if I click on people we specify, maybe I can share to the whole company, so that's going to share to everyone. And you can allow or block someone from editing your file. So click cancel to go back. You just type in the email of the person you want. It's going to look at your address book, type a message, click send. And if you get this message, the file has been sent to the recipient. So if I check on Outlook for my sent emails, I'm gonna see the email I just sent. So it's gonna be using your account, and this is the file that we just sent. Another feature that we can be using is gonna be always keep on this device. So we had a look at this before. So this is gonna download the file and make sure it's always there for you, so you don't have to download. If you're working on the go, if you're working on the train, for example, you don't have internet, you want to make sure you have the files that you're working on always on your device. So just right click on the file or folder and click always on device. Another good feature from OneDrive is version history, and that's going to be an earlier version of your files that were kept saved while you were working on it. So as you can see here, for example, we have a earlier version of a file I was working on, and I can just click on the dots next to it, restore it, or download it if I like. You can also do this action from the OneDrive. So I'm here logged in on my OneDrive account, and I'm inside the same folder. So if you click on the file you like to restore and click on the dots next to it, you're gonna see version history at the bottom. So if you go on that, and then you can do the same thing. You can open file or download it, and that's going to download the file to your computer. Another option that you have in OneDrive, it's a free up space. So let me just give you an example here. These files are available temporarily on my device, and as you can see, there's a little guy here, icon to it, and you can see it says shared because I have shared this file, as you saw in a previous video. If I want to make this file always available for me, I'm going to always keep on this device. So it's going to download the file and always keep it there. So let's just download this one as well. So if I go offline, I can keep working on them. Now, if I want to free up space, it's going to just put the files back into the cloud. So if I click free up space, it's going to remove from my device and make the files only available online. So you have to download them again. And as you can see, the symbol has changed now. If you like to view the file online, you can right click and click view online. That's going to open the file using your web browser, and here you can edit the file, and the file should be saved on your computer as well because of the syncing that you're doing from the OneDrive to the computer. And that's some of the features on OneDrive.